Homemade iced vanilla cold brew sovereign vertical bar Starbucks Copycat. Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a coffee shop favorite at home, an iced vanilla sweet cream cold brew Copycat. It's smooth, bold, and perfectly sweet, topped with that dreamy vanilla cream that slowly swirls into the cold brew like magic. The best part, it's super easy, costs way less than buying it out, and tastes just as delicious. Let's make it. Ingredients for the cold brew: 1/2 cup coarsely ground coffee, 2 cups cold water for the vanilla sweet cream, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons milk any kind, 2 tablespoons vanilla syrup, or 1 tablespoon sugar plus 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. To serve, ice optional, extra vanilla syrup for a sweeter. Drink directions: start by making your cold brew. In a jar or pitcher, combine the coarse coffee grounds and cold water, stir gently, cover, and let it steep in the fridge for 12–18 hours. Once steeped, strain the coffee through a fine mesh strainer, coffee filter, or cheesecloth until smooth and grit-free. Set aside. Next, make the vanilla sweet cream. In a small cup or jar, whisk together heavy cream, milk, and vanilla syrup until fully combined. You want it pourable, not whipped. To assemble, fill a tall glass with ice and pour in your cold brew. Add extra vanilla syrup if you like it sweeter. Slowly pour the vanilla sweet cream over the top and watch it cascade into the coffee. Give it a gentle stir or leave it layered for that café look. And that's it. Sweet friends, your iced vanilla sweet cream cold brew Copycat is ready to sip. It's smooth, refreshing, and that vanilla sweet cream makes it taste like a treat every single time. Perfect for mornings, afternoons, or whenever you want coffee shop vibes at home. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.